Welcome to my February 2023 video newsletter. First we'll do the charts, which of course will wrap up 2022, and then we'll go into commentary for some looking forward into 2023. Let's go. Before we talk about where we're going, let's talk about where we've been. Closing out 2022, we have the December sales. We had seven closings, kind of closing the year out on a low note, but consistent with the rest of the year. On a high note, the 2022 median final sale price was $743,000. I'll show you a chart on that in a little bit. The year-end numbers for 2022 had us closing out at 107 sales, down roughly 37% from where we were last year. Of note, and you'll see this in the commentary in the newsletter itself, is that however low the sales were, and again they were lower than they have been in over a decade, however low the sales were, the dollar number was the third highest dollar number we've seen ever. And so people still are spending money, just not on as many places. As far as new listings go, we had 7 new listings. An okay number for December, certainly not what we need to carry forward with rising inventory, but we had 7 new listings last month. Actives, as we move into the new year, we have 10. 10 again is probably an okay place to start, but we need to get up to the 40, 50, 60, 70 that we had pre-COVID, and 10 is a start to get us there, but we certainly need a lot more. As we take a look at, again, the medians, you can see that COVID, the 2020, 2021, and 2022 have brought us about 56% higher than where we were and had been for almost a decade back in 2019. All in all, that's the good news. The bad news, of course, for me is that the number of sales are just way down. Let's take a look at where we're going, and that'll be in the commentary. As we look at the 2023, it's almost hard to know where to start. Certainly, there's a lot of folks, the people who think they know, have told us where the market's going to go. They've said to us that the mortgage rates will probably ultimately come back to the high fives, the mid to high fives, certainly better than where they've been. They also tell us that nationally the total number of sales will be down an additional 10%, which is ugly, and we'll come to that in a second. They also say that home prices will stay pretty flat for the year. Now, as we look to the Eastham market, certainly we're stuck with a different marketplace altogether. I say stuck, but because I like it here, but nonetheless, we're stuck with a different marketplace altogether. People don't have to buy and generally don't have to sell. And so it makes it interesting. I'm going to be a little counter to what the experts are saying nationally. I'm thinking that our market will improve, maybe not a lot, but certainly some from where we are now, because I see a lot of pent-up demand after last year. People who say that maybe they'll just bite the bullet on slightly higher mortgage rates for a couple years and then refi. So I'm thinking that the prices, although they will likely hold steady, I'm seeing that the market will improve, inventory will improve. That's certainly hope, and that should make for a good, nice, robust year. Probably not the year we had 2020 or 2021, but nonetheless we'll have a good year. So that said, if you're thinking of selling your house, now is probably a great time to jump in. The inventory is way low, as you saw from the charts. People are arriving. In the last week, I've put 2 houses under agreement, so things are happening. And so hope to talk to you soon. Please give me a call if you have any questions. Thank you. Stay safe, and goodbye.